Textbook in page number 196. So all of you show me. So page number 196. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
page number 196. You can open the. This is. Page number 196 lo. This is 196. The third theorem is completed. Page number 197. The last class 196 is completed. Page number 197. Theorem number 4. Theorem number 4. This is if Laplace transform of like this. So it is Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f bar of s. F bar of s. Then the Laplace transform of 0 to infinity f of u into du is equal to 1 by s into f bar of s. This is a theorem. Or what happened? Laplace transform of 0 to infinity f of u into du is equal to 1 by s into f bar of s. Or inverse Laplace transform means inverse Laplace transform of f bar of s by s is equal to, and also we know that 0 to t up to t f of u into du, f of u into du. This is a theorem statement. So I am to write here also. This is I am to write here in the theorem statement. Laplace transform of. So we have taken pi of t. What is the pi of t is equal to? In textbook on the same ration. 0 to t into f of u into du. F of t into pi of t is equal to 0 to t into f of u into du. Pi of t is equal to 0 to t into f of u into du. F of u into du. So then pi dash of t and er derivative. Pi dash of t integration just we have taken only f of t. So it pi of 0 is equal to. So pi of 0, t in plus 0 substitute pi of 0. Right side, left side will be 0. Okay. Now the left side, right side, left side will be 0. Right side, left side. And pi of t in plus 0 substitute integration right side 0 value. This is a 0. Pi of t equal pi of 0 is equal to 0. So I have taken Laplace transform of pi dash of t. So pi dash of t is equal to formula. First derivative formula the last class is s into pi bar of s. S into pi bar of s minus pi bar of. So s into pi bar of s minus. So s into pi bar of t minus pi of 0. Pi of 0. This is called as pi bar of t, pi of 0 is equal to s into pi bar of t. Already pi of 0 is equal to 0. And we take now s into pi bar of t. S into pi bar of t. Emotion chudandi. Laplace transform of pi dash of t is equal to, we got a result is s into pi bar of t. What is the pi bar of t is equal to? So pi bar of t is equal to 1 by s into Laplace transform of pi dash of t is equal to f of t already. So what happened? Laplace transform of pi dash of t is equal to, we got a result is s into pi bar of t. So what is the pi bar of t is equal to 1 by s into Laplace transform of pi dash of t. What is the pi dash of t is equal to here? F of t. So f of t. So this is called as chudandi 1 by s into Laplace transform of f of t. So Laplace transform of f of t can be written as 1 by s into, denoted by Laplace transform of f of t denoted by f bar of s. F bar of s. What is the get result? Pi bar of t is equal to how much? 1 by s. F bar of s by, so yes, f bar of s by s. What is the pi bar of t? The Laplace transform of pi of t. So Laplace transform of pi of t is equal to 1 by s into f bar of s. What is the pi of t? This is the result. So Laplace transform of pi of t 0 to t into f of u into du is equal to, this is pi bar of f bar of s by s, f bar of s by s. So we got a result. So we next to, this is a application problem. So what is the application problem is, so we taken no application problem is, so we take an application problem is, you have to apply same ఇచ్చాను notes లో చూడండి, and to clear the notes. So what is the application in the problem is inverse Laplace transform of, this is a, so this is a question application in the problem. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s into s square plus a, s square plus a. Okay, now this is s square plus to s square a. So this is Laplace transform. Okay, వినపడుతుందమ్మా? Is clear, guys?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, so inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s into s square plus a square, s square plus a square. So this is a value we can find. We know that already tells, we know that inverse Laplace transform of last class s into s square plus a square value find out just 1 by a sin 80. 1 by a sin 80. So we have to inverse Laplace transform of, ఇప్పుడు what is the f bar of s is equal to, we taken. So what is the f bar of s? This is f bar of s. So what is the question is called also? F bar of s. It is like this is inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s into s square plus a square. So is equal to 1 by a into 0 to t f of u du. So what is f of u? 1 by a, f of u అంటే ఇక్కడ sin t, got 0 to t into sin of au du, sin of au du. Sin theta integration minus cos theta. అంటే what is the result is 1 by a minus cos of au by a. This is the limits 0 to t, 0 to t. So 1 by a same upper limit minus cos 80 minus lower limit cos 0 minus cos 0 by ikkada minus a ఉంటుంది, it is also. So what happened? Minus is minus plus, cos 0 is 1. So 1 by a into 1 minus cos 80, 1 by a. ఇక్కడ already 1 by a, 1 by 8 is there. So totally 1 by a common, అంటే 1 by a square. అంటే what is the result? 1 by a square into minus cos of a equal limits 0 to t apply చేయండి. 1 by a square common, upper limit minus cos 80 minus minus of minus plus is cos 0. Cos 0 value 1, got 1 by a square into 1 minus cos 80. 1 minus cos 80. Okay, so this is a now again, now so this is a problem in the this theorem 4, it is a application problem. Okay, now again so this is clearly in clearly. So hello, hello, yes,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now this is a next theorem phi. What is the theorem phi? So this is a theorem phi, your page number C, page number 198. Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f bar of s. Then Laplace transform of I'm to write here. This is Laplace transform of t power of n into f of t. power n is equal to, we know that formula is minus 1 whole power of n d power of n ds power of n into f bar of s. So f bar of s, this is a Laplace transform. మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో కాకుండా నేను అదర్ వే ప్రూఫ్ చేశాను. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్లీ ది Laplace transform multiplication. The multiplication is means t power of n. The multiplication t power of n in formula. So multiplication t power of n formula it is taken. చూడండి, first of all is, first we prove that first multiplication, only single multiplant, t into f of t is equal to minus f dash of s. అంటే or minus d by ds of f bar of s. Okay now, so Laplace transform of t into f of t is equal to minus f dash of s, f bar dash of s. This is all. So f bar of s, then we have to find a single term and mathematical induction. We have to prove is clearly. Children, first of all, f bar of s is equal to Laplace transform of f of t. F of t is equal to 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity e power of minus st f of t into dt. F of dt. So this formula, Laplace transform f of t formula, 0 to infinity e power of minus st f of t dt formula. So both sides, derivation with respect to s. Both side, what is now derivation with respect to s? Left hand side f bar of s. So the left hand side f bar of s is equal to formula to the Laplace transform of f of t. The Laplace transform f of t original formula 0 to infinity e power of minus st into f of t into dt. So left side derivation with respect to s, both sides. Okay, this is the left side is f dash of s is equal to right side d by ds of same integral 0 to infinity e power of minus st into f of t into dt. Same thing. It's so the integral d by ds, derivation and integral by using the Leibniz theorem, 0 to infinity dou by dou s. So this is e power of minus st into f of t. So this is dt. So it is uv by Leibniz rules. By Leibniz rules you have to apply. So e power of minus t, e power of uv method, we have to apply integration. U is e power of minus at integration e power of minus st, d by ds is minus t. So what is the result is minus t into e power of minus st. We have to Leibniz rule is f of t into dt. So this is a result. The result is minus 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity. So we have to apply. Minus is take outside, 0 to infinity e power of minus st t f of t into dt. So actually what is the result is called is the integration. Once again repeat children, 0 to infinity a partial derivative dou by dou s of e power of integrand e power of minus st into f of t into total bracket dt. By Leibniz rule apply only u derivative, e power of minus st derivative, e power of minus st with respect to s step minus t. We got a result is minus integration 0 to infinity. So infinity t into e power of minus st f of t into dt. This is the Leibniz rule. So you take minus outside, same 0 to infinity e power of minus st. This is the result t into f of t into dt. And we have to write is equal to minus 0 to infinity e power of minus st t into f of t. So t into f of t into dt. So t into f of t dt. This is called is take minus. This is a symbolically totally Laplace transform of t into f of t. So this is denoted by Laplace transform of t into f of t. What is the left side? Gives the left side is f dash of s is equal to minus Laplace transform of t into f of t. Okay. What is now this is Laplace transform of t into f of t is equal to the minus is take out. So minus f dash of s. So we have to first multiplication t into f of t, Laplace transform of f of t is equal to minus 1 whole power of 1 d by ds of f bar of s. This is the first time. Second time comes the Laplace transform of t square into f of t is equal to -1 whole square into d square
Important.
s by ds square into f bar of s. So
ID
equal
3 అంటే రణవీర్ సింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ రణవీర్ సింగ్
భీమ్లా నాయక్ పెట్టండి ఫస్ట్ చూద్దాం.
హాయ్ భీమ్లా నాయక్ కిలాడి మారాణి తేజ మారానేమో వీడు వాడు ధనుష్ ధనుష్ కూడా ఇద్దరు ఇంకోటి అవి అక్కడనే చూడు బ్లఫ్ మాస్టర్ మిస్టరీ మూవీ అంటే కొంచెం బాగుంటుంది భీమ్లా
okay, mute all. Okay. Right. So we have the first term. So ikkada em ichcharanటే the sentence is there. The Laplace transform of it's a clearly. So we shall prove this theorem by mathematical induction. We shall prove the theorem by mathematical induction. Laplace transform of t into f of t is equal to -1 whole power of n d by ds into f bar of s. That is, the theorem is true for n is equal to 1. So that is Laplace transform of t into f of t is equal to -1 whole power of n into d by ds of f bar of s. F bar of s. So the theorem is true for n is equal to 1. The theorem is true for n is equal to 1. The theorem is true for n is equal to 1. Okay. Kakuna. Please just wait. Okay. Now okay. This is a The mathematical induction is proof that mathematical induction is proof that mathematical induction is proof that T is equal to T is equal to
Sir, a chapter and 7th na?
7th chapter, sir. Laplace transform. Same.
Sir.
Page number some
198.
198. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so this is the theorem is true for the theorem is true for n is equal to 1. We assume the theorem is true for a particular value n says a particular value says n. A particular value says n. A particular value says n. Now, a particular says value n, then we have Laplace transform. Okay, the Laplace transform of t power of n is equal to minus. What is the particular? This is the Laplace transform of t power of n into f of t is equal to minus 1 whole power of n d power of n s ds power of n into f bar of s, a particular value. So the assumption is true. I am to n plus 1, we have to prove. What happened is the Laplace transform of t power of n into f of t is equal to, this is right side same. So what is the Laplace transform formula? 0 to infinity e power of minus st into t power of n into f of t into dt is equal to right side minus 1 whole power of n d power of n ds power of n into f bar of s. Same again. I am to now differentiate. Now differentiating. Now differentiating. Now differentiating. Now differentiating again both sides with respect to yes. Left side, right side will be differentiating with respect to yes. So say by Leibniz's theorem. So by Leibniz's theorem, we have to apply a differentiating. Now differentiating both sides with respect to s, we have d by ds left hand side. What is the left hand side? This is the left hand side, d by ds of d by ds 0 to infinity e power of minus st into t power of n into f of t dt is equal to minus 1 whole power of n d. Already n derivative in s. Again derivative s. D power of n plus 1 by, and d by ds is the left side. 0 to infinity into e power of minus st t power of n into f of t dt, right side. So minus 1 whole power of n into d power of n plus 1 by ds to the power of n plus 1 into f bar of s. So I am to clear that this is a notes also. So by Leibniz apply. What is the Leibniz left hand side is 0 to infinity dou by dou s. This is the Leibniz. So what is now e power of minus st t power of n into f of t. So into dt. This is dt. So right side minus 1 whole power of n into d power of n plus 1 by ds power of n plus 1 f bar of s. What is the Leibniz theorem? E power of minus st differentiation e power of st minus integration 0 to infinity e power of minus st into t power of n plus 1 into f of t into dt. Right side is minus 1 whole power of n d power of n plus 1 by ds to the power of n plus 1. The minus is take right side, it is called is. So what is that minus is right side is called is, that is called, so 0 to infinity e power of minus st bracket t power of n f of t into dt is equal to minus 1 whole power of n plus 1. So d power of n plus 1 by ds to the power of n plus 1 into f bar of s. So f bar of s, it's a clearly. This is the left hand side is can be written as this equation. So 0 to infinity e power of minus st something, this is a bracket t power of n into f of t. So this is a dt is equal to, this is equation totally Laplace transform of t power of n into f of t is equal to, in this we know that Laplace transform t power of n plus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole power of n plus 1 d power of n plus 1 by ds to the power of n plus 1 into f bar of s. F bar of s. So the theorem is totally result true. First one, the theorem result is true for n is equal to 1. The theorem n is equal to n assumption. The theorem is true for n is equal to n plus 1 is completed by principle of mathematical induction. The theorem is totally what happened? The Laplace transform of t power of n into f of t is equal to, what is the theorem? Minus 1 whole power of n into d power of n ds power of n, s derivative with respect to n, f bar of s. N is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to like. This is a formula from, so a multiplication by t power of n, multiplication by t power of n. The theorem is completed in page number 199, example 121. So the example 21 problem here. So this is the example is 21 problem. So this is a example is 21 problem. What is the example? Laplace transform of t cube into e power of minus 3t. So e cube into very simple. Laplace transform of t cube into e power of minus 3t. So what is the Laplace? We know that Laplace transform of e power of minus 3t is equal to formula 1 by s minus a, 1 by s plus a. So s plus a కాబట్టి 1 by s plus 3 is equal to denoted by f bar of s. Already clear notes ఇచ్చాను f bar of s. So what is now t cube into e power of, what is the formula? T cube formula minus 1 n is equal to 3 d cube ds cube into f bar of s. How many times derivative? And this is minus 1 whole cube d cube ds cube into 1 by s plus a. This is 1 by s plus a 3 times derivative. That is called is, what is the formula factor? So minus 1 whole cube 3 factorial by s plus a whole power of 4. అంటే యాక్చువల్గా 1 by x plus a n derivative. What is the n derivative is called formula? n factorial by x plus a whole power of n plus 1. x plus a whole power of n plus 1. ఇక్కడ this is minus 1 whole cube into d cube by ds cube యొక్క formula 1 by s plus a is equal to, what is the formula? Minus 1 whole cube 3 factorial by s plus a whole to the power of 4. So minus 1 minus, this is the 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6 minus 6 by s plus 3, s plus a plus 3, s plus 3 by whole power of 4. So s plus 3 by whole power of minus 6 whole power of 4. This is the problem. It is a by multiplication application problem. So multiplication application problem. So this is a SAQ 8 question. So మీకు page number SAQ 199 SAQ first problem. So what is the first problem? ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? This is the first problem 199 లో Laplace transform of, we know that Laplace transform of t cube is equal to, we know that 6 by s to the power of 4. Find Laplace transform of t square. So very simple. T square value కూడా తెలుసు. What is not 2 square? So 2 by something, 2 factorial by So 2 factorial by s cube. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ what is now Laplace transform of మనకు తెలుసు, we know that. So first of all, f of t is equal to t cube. What is f dash of t is equal to what happened? 3t square. 3t square. So f dash of t is equal to 3t square. Laplace transform f of t is equal to t cube అయితే f of 0 is equal to how much? 0 cube is equal to 0. f of t is equal to t cube, f of 0 is equal to 0. What is now Laplace f dash of t? What is the Laplace f dash of t formula? S into f bar of s minus f of 0. S into f bar of s minus f of 0. S into f bar of s and also Laplace transform left hand side. F of t is equal to t cube కాబట్టి Laplace transform of f dash of t. T cube derivation 3t square left side is equal to s into t cube యొక్క derivative and also f bar of s is f bar of s యొక్క value. So that is f bar of s యొక్క value 6 by s to the power of 4 minus f of 0 0. ఈ ss cancel అయితే s cube అంటే therefore ఏమొచ్చింది 6 by s cube. Laplace transform of 3t square is equal to 6 by s cube. ఇక్కడ 3 outside తీసుకోండి. Laplace transform of t square is equal to 6 by s square. 3 వస్తే డౌన్ వస్తే 1 by 3. 3 1 జా 3 2 జా is equal to 2 by s cube. 2 by ఇది s cube. 2 by s cube. What is the answer is Laplace transform of t square is equal to 2 by s cube. So s cube. Okay. So that is called is now this is the first bit. What is the second bit? This is the second bit is called is Laplace transform of, this is second bit. Inverse Laplace transform of f bar of s. What is the f bar of s is equal? So f bar of s is equal to what is now f bar of s is equal to question 1 by s square into s plus 2. So first of all in rasta we have to that inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s plus 2 is equal to formula e power of minus 2t. E power of minus 2t. So after that inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s into s plus 2. 1 by s into s plus 2 ఏమవుతుంది? f bar by s is equal to formula ఇది 0 to t into f of u into du. What is f of u ఇక్కడ? This is a clearly f of u is equal to ఏమొచ్చింది? e power of 0 to t into e power of minus 2 f of u e power of minus 2t. f of tu into du. e power of minus 2u value integration e power of minus 2u is integration. Now e power of minus 2u integration. So this is e power of minus 2u integration is equal to 0 to t into e power of minus 2u du. So e power of minus 2u, e power of minus 2u by minus 2. This is a integration 0 to t. Upper limit e power of minus 2t by minus 2. Lower limit e power of minus 0 by minus 2. Minus e power of 0 1 minus of minus plus. What is the now? This is so is equal to ఏమొస్తుంది? e power of minus 2t by 2 వస్తుంది plus 1 by 2 వస్తుంది. This is a minus. 1 by 2 is common. 1 by 2 is common. 1 by 2 common, this same వస్తుంది. This is 1 minus e power of minus 2t. This is called is once again f of t. This is f of t value వచ్చేసింది. Once again next time second time inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square into s plus 2. S plus 2. So is equal to ఏమవుతుంది? second time 1 by s చేయాలి. second time 1 by s చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? 1 by 2. all of you are understand 1 by 2. ఫస్ట్ టైం ఏమొచ్చింది? ఇన్వర్స్ Laplace transform of 1 by s into s plus 2 కు what is the answer? 1 by 2 into 1 minus e power of minus 2t. ఇది ఇంకో సెకండ్ టైంకి ఏమొస్తుంది? ఇంకొక అనదర్ 1 by s 1 by s square into s plus 2 is equal to what is the? ఇది f of u 0 to t into f of u du. What is f of t? 1 by 2. So once again 1 by 2 0 to t into t 1 minus e power of minus 2t dt integration du. So 1 by 2 into u integration u minus e power of minus 2u by minus 2. The limits is 0 to t. Once again apply 1 by 2 upper limit to t minus e power of minus 2t by minus 2 lower limit to minus 0 plus e power of something. So we have to simplification. So that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Totally simplification is 1 by 4 into e power of minus 2t plus 2t minus 1. 2t minus 1. So this is, so it's a clearly now the second bit is completed of this one. Now in third bit. So what is the third bit of the Laplace transform of? Third bit MHR question. Laplace transform of third bit is Laplace transform of. So Laplace transform of third bit is Laplace transform of t square into cos at. T square into cos at. So what is the Laplace transform t square into cos at? First to Laplace transform of cos at. Cos at formula in the s by s square plus a square. S by this is called is f bar of s. I am to clear. So this is Laplace transform of s. So we can question. So Laplace transform of t square into. So Laplace transform of t square into cos at. What is the f of t is called formula in the minus 1 whole square into d square by ds square into f bar of s. F bar of s minus 1 whole square into, so d by ds one time, next to d by ds of f bar of s. What is the f bar of s is called is s by s square plus a square. So cot minus 1 whole square and plus I think d by ds. So what is the d by ds u by v method? S square plus a square minus a s integration 1 minus 2s square by s square plus a square is whole square. Ikkada next step ఏమవుతుంది? d by ds into a square minus s square by s square plus a square is a whole square. Once again, another time is the u by v method. So I am to u by v method. U by v method formula is v u dash minus u v dash by v square. V by u square. So this is the formula. So we taken now. So okay, now this is once again second time u by v method application. Actually, this is d by ds by what now? A square minus s square by s square plus a square is a whole square. This is uv method. S square plus a square is a whole square into, this is the derivation minus 2s minus a square minus s square into 2 into s square plus a square into 2s. So by denominator s square plus a square is a already whole square, that is the power 4. Power 4. So we have to simplify. Oh, this is a equation. This is a, well, once again, a total equation we got a s square plus a square. One term is common term. One term is common term. It is a denominator in 4 term can cancel in cube term. We have to simplification minus 2s cube minus 2a square s minus 4a square plus 4s cube by s square plus a square whole cube. Ikkada 4s cube minus 2s cube ante this is a plus 2s cube minus 2a square minus 4a square minus 6a square s by s square plus a square whole cube. So s square plus a whole square is a whole square. So that is no, s square plus a square is a whole square. Now s square plus a square whole square. Now this is a problem is completed. So this is a third bit. Now we are go to the fourth problem in SAQ. So what is the SAQ in fourth bit is the problem issue. So this is a compute. What is the compute? The Laplace transform of sin t by t. Then find out channel. What is the Laplace transform sin t by t is equal to, we can do. So what is the already Laplace transform of sin t is equal to 1 by s square plus 1. This is f bar of s, f bar of s. So what is the Laplace transform of sin t by t? So by t oste, what is the formula? S to infinity f of u into du, f of u into, ఇక్కడ f of u into du 1 by u square plus. So s to infinity f of u 1 by u square plus 1 into du. So this is Laplace transform of sin t by t is equal to, result ఏమొచ్చింది, s to infinity 1 by u square plus 1 into du. 1 by u square plus 1 is equal to tan inverse of u into the limits is s to infinity. Upper limit. So upper limit is tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of s. Tan inverse of infinity, tan inverse of tan 90 degrees is infinity minus tan inverse of s. Tan cancel, inverse. So is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s. So tan pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s is equal to cot inverse of s. And what is now cot inverse of s? Your lower class. So what is the lower class? Tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. So what is the tan inverse of x? What is the cot inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse of x. Cot pi by 2 minus tan inverse of x is equal to cot inverse of s. Cot inverse of s nothing but 2. So cot inverse of s is nothing but 2. So tan inverse of 1 by s. Tan inverse of 1 by s. So next is the fifth problem in the SAQ. The fifth problem in the SAQ is called is, now once again, now the Laplace transform of e power of a minus at e power of minus bt. So by t, and actually we can find the question, the Laplace transform of e power of minus at minus e power of minus bt by t find out. So Koti, actually first to Laplace transform of e power of minus at e power of minus bt. So the simplification is Laplace transform of e power of minus at minus the Laplace transform of e power of minus bt. So Laplace transform e power of minus at formula you can call 1 by s plus a minus 1 by s plus b. So 1 by s plus a, this is f bar of s. F bar of s is equal to what happened? 1 by s plus a minus 1 by s plus b. So this is Laplace transform of e power of minus at minus e power of minus bt by t. By t వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? 0 to s to infinity. So s to infinity f of u into du, f of u into du. So s to infinity f of u is means 1 by u plus a minus 1 by u plus b. This is integration du. 1 by u plus a, 1 by u plus a integration is, what is the 1 by u plus a? Log of u plus a minus log of u plus b minus upper limit is s to infinity. Log of u plus a, log of u plus a, upper limit is log of u plus a minus log of u plus b. So this is upper or lower. So s to infinity. S to infinity values is must be 0. What happened is minus lower limit minus log of u plus a. చెప్పండి అమ్మ.
s plus a by s plus b.
s plus a, s plus v a, s plus minus వస్తుంది, మైనస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ ప్లస్ ఏ, ఓకే, ప్లస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ ప్లస్ బి వస్తుంది. లాగ్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి, ఏ మైనస్ బి ఫార్ములా. సో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్? లాగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ ప్లస్ బి బై ఎస్ ప్లస్ ఏ, ఎస్ ప్లస్ బి బై ఎస్ ప్లస్ ఏ. సో దిస్ ఈస్ that is the formula from. So it is application in the sixth. What is the, this is the fifth problem. You are asking the question, the Laplace transform of e power of minus at e power of minus bt by t is equal to, answer is logarithm of s plus b by s plus a. ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? సిక్స్త్ క్వశ్చన్ అప్లికేషన్, Laplace transform of e power of minus t minus e power of t ఇచ్చాడు. What is the now? This is by t. అంటే what is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, apply. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, apply by above. That is the sixth problem. That is called is a sixth problem. Log of s plus 1 by log of s minus 1. Inverse logarithm of s, log of s plus 1 by s minus 1 is equal to ఏమవుతుంది? So L is take right side inverse of a logarithm e power of t by e power of minus t by t. So this is called is that is is equal to inverse logarithm. So this is inverse logarithm is called is inverse logarithm. So this is, so what is the e power of t minus e power of minus t by t. So it 2 and multiply divide 2 by t take. What is e power of t minus e power of minus t by 2? This is a value can be written as 2 by t. This is the value is sin ht. Sin hx is equal to e power of x, e power of minus x by 2. Got it? Therefore, e power of t, e power of minus t by 2. So sin ht. So this is a clear. Now, so this is the problem is. So 6 problems. Next is a definition is convolution. So this is convolution definition page number 201. Page number 201. The convolution in page number 201. So now this is the next is come to tell me. Okay, so that is a convolution definition. What is a convolution definition? Is a page number definition for 201 top row. F of t and g of t be two Laplace transformable functions. The convolution of two functions f and g is defined by f star of g. The function is defined by f star of the function f star of. So this is f star of g. The f is defined by f of t into star g of t is equal to 0 to t into f of u into g of t minus u into du. This is a convolution product. What is the convolution product? F star g is equal to 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u into du. This is the convolution product definition. So next page number 202. That is an important theorem. So long question, it is a convolution theorem. So what is the convolution theorem is? This is a, now it is a convolution theorem. Now in convolution theorem is, so this is a convolution theorem. What is the convolution theorem? Capital F of S, capital F of S. Capital F of S is, so capital F of S is a Laplace transform of f of t. Capital G of S, a Laplace transform of small g of t. Capital F of S, Laplace transform of small f of t. So then, respectively, inverse Laplace transform of, so inverse Laplace transform of capital F of S in capital G of S is equal to, and also this is 0 to t into f of u into g of t minus u into du. G of t minus u into du. The f of s, what is the f of s? Laplace transform of f of t. So this is denoted by g of s, the Laplace transform of g of t. This is a symbolically, the question is sentence is there. Then we have to inverse Laplace transform of f of s into g of s is equal to, what happened is, this is 0 to t into f of u into g of t minus u into du. This is nothing but f star of g. Inverse of this question. So L of s into g of s is equal to Laplace transform of f star of g. This is a formula. So it is the convolution theorem statement. We have to prove the convolution theorem statement. I'm telling me. So inverse Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f of t. Inverse Laplace transform g of s is equal to g of t. So inverse right side, L of s is equal to Laplace transform of f of t. Inverse right side, g of s is equal to Laplace transform of g of t. I think we have to prove. That is called is. So ఇక్కడ మీకు ఇచ్చాను కూడా already. So this is proof. Here we shall prove that. First Laplace transform of 0 to t into f of t, f of u into g of t minus u into du, is equal to f of s into g of s, into g of s. So I have taken let, let pi of t. What is the pi of t? This is the pi of t given the question. 0 to t into f of u into g of t minus u into du. The convolution product is nothing but let assumption pi of t. So let consider, find the Laplace transform of pi of t is equal to 0 to infinity e power of minus st into pi of t into dt by the definition of Laplace transform. So what is this is 0 to infinity e power of minus st same. What is the pi of t? Minus st same. What is the pi of t? So this is a pi of t can apply. What is the pi of t apply? 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u into du. So that is called is into dt. So the two integrations we can do right here. So what is now? The integration t is equal to 0 to infinity. The integration u is equal to 0 to t into e power of minus st into f of u into g of t minus of u into first integration du dt. This is the equation 1 already shown. So it's a clear, student, all of you the listen. This is called is t is equal to 0 to infinity, u is equal to 0 to t e power of minus st f of u into g of t minus u into du dt. So this is a clear. So g of tu. So it's a g of So this is the equation 1. So is the equation 1. And what is the equation 1? T is equal to 0, t is equal to u. So the change of t is equal to, that is, this is the integration t, e and u. This is the t is equal to u or u is equal to t. Y is equal to mx. Y is a passes through the origin line. U is equal to t. A passes through the y is equal to x. Y is equal to x is passes through the origin. Y in plus u is equal to t. So t is equal to u. The stripping. What is the t infinite? This is the t infinite. T value infinite. The strip right. So the t u is equal to 0. So this is the order change of integration. When we change the order of the integration, when we change the order of the integration, when we change the order of the integration, we integrate first with respect to t, keeping u. So we integrate with respect to t, keeping u as constant. T varies. And what is the integration first? First integration t and keeping u is constant. T యొక్క values lower limit, upper limits. ఎక్కడెక్కడికి t varies from u to infinity. Again u varies is from lower limit, upper limit. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is infinity. Lower limit is, so once again student, t is a various, t values is various integration. Lower limit is u, upper limit is infinity. So upper limit infinity. T varies. U various is limits are there. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is infinity. So we have the change of the order of the integration equation 1. So change of the order of the integration equation. Laplace transform of pi of t is equal to Laplace transform of pi of t is equal to 0 to infinity. What happened? F of u. Next to that is a next integration second. 0 to infinity, next to u to infinity. So this is called as e power of minus st into g of t minus u into d of t. G of t minus t into u to infinity. So 0 to u to infinity. U to infinity. So this is a change of order integration. So we call this u to infinity. So equation number 2. U to infinity. U to second equation lo we call. So second equation is Second equation, u to infinity e power of minus s into g of t minus into d. This is the second. So the limits are changed. So put t minus u is equal to m call a nu. This is a new letter. dt is equal to d nu. So the t is equal to infinity and v is equal to infinity. T is equal to u and u is equal to, so t is equal to u and u is equal to also nu is equal to 0. Nu is equal to 0.
సరే
So
ఈ
t,
సింబల్ ఏంటి సార్ ఇది?
ఇది సింబల్ న్యూ అంటాం,
న్యూ
ఫ్రీక్వెన్స్ న్యూ. ఇక్కడ
Okay.
ఏమొస్తున్నాయి, ద లిమిట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. టీ మైనస్ యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సింబల్ న్యూ అంటాం. సో పుట్టు అప్పుడు dt is equal to, we know like dt is equal to d nu. Okay,
d mu. Yes,
d
yes.
nu. So when t is equal to infinity, then nu is equal to also infinity. Then t is equal to u, upper limit, then nu is equal to also 0. So that is 0 according to the diagram. So the diagram is in second equation can be changed. So what is the second equation is, this is the second equation become a change. What is the second equation? So this is the second equation is, so the second equation is Laplace transform of, what is now the Laplace transform of, so Laplace transform of, so Laplace transform of f of t, Laplace transform of phi of t is equal to, limit change అయితే 0 to infinity f of u. So the second u to infinity e power of minus t value ఏమి ఇచ్చాను, u plus, the t value is called u plus v, this is u plus nu into g of nu into d nu into du. So we have to separate changing. The separate changing is called is, so separate in changing, this is a separate. E power of minus of u plus nu lo e power of minus su into e power of minus s of nu, this is the type in separate. Basis equal power should be added. What happened is e power of minus, this is 0 to infinity e power of minus s of u into f of u into du. This is u integration. Next integration 0 to infinity e power of minus s of nu into g of nu into dv. So first integration is 0 to infinity e power of minus su into f of u into du. Second equation 0 to infinity e power of minus s nu into g of nu into d nu. So d nu. So this is first, it is called is Laplace transform of f of t. Second is equation is called is Laplace transform of g of t. So in g of t, so is equal to Laplace transform of f of t is denoted by f of s. Laplace transform of g of t is denoted by g of s. So what happened is called is a result. The Laplace transform of 0 to t f of u into g of t minus of u into du is equal to the f of s into g of s. So hence the L is take right side. So what happened is inverse of Laplace transform of f of s into g of s is equal to 0 to t into f of t into g of t minus of u into de. So t f of u into d g of t minus u into f of du. This is called is the theorem. So this is a convolution theorem. So the convolution theorem is also application in the problem also. What is the convolution theorem is application problem is in page number 204. What is the 204 in convolution application problem? One second, Churan. This is a call. Okay. This is a convolution is. Convolution application problem, example 22, page number 204. Example 22, page number 204. Find the inverse Laplace transform of, find the inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s into s square plus 1. by using the convolution theorem. Your examination asking you using convolution theorem. Okay, so using convolution theorem, this is asking you. Now, first we show that. First we know that here 1 by s into 1 by s square plus 1. Here two terms. One is f bar of s. This is g bar of s. G bar of s. What is f bar of s is equal to 1 by s. G bar of s is equal to 1 by s square plus 1. 1 by s square plus 1. So it's a clearly. Now, inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s is equal to 1. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus 1 is equal to sin t. This already inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s is equal to 1. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus 1 is equal to sin t. So sin t. By convolution theorem, what is the convolution theorem is? Inverse Laplace transform of f bar of s into star g bar of s is equal to 0 to t into f of u into g of t minus of u into du. So f of u is equal to, and we know that f of u is equal to 1. G of u is equal to, and also it is 1 by s square plus g of u is equal to sin t. So what happened is already okay. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s is equal to 1. This is f of t. So inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s square plus 1 is equal to sin t. This is called as g of t. Okay. So g of t. Now, so we have to apply the theorem is inverse Laplace transform of f bar of s into g bar of s is equal to 0 to t into f of u into g of t minus u into dt. So 0 to 1 into f of u. F of u is equal to f of s is equal to 1. F of u is equal to 1. 1 into g of t is equal to sin t. Up to what happened? Sin of t minus u into dt. So what is the integration? 0 to 2 sin of t minus u into dt. What is the sin a plus b formula? Sin a minus b formula. Sin of t minus u formula, a minus b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So we have to apply sin t. Sin t. Only t, we have only t with respect to derivative integration. So what is the integration? Sin t minus cos t cos u. Minus cos t cos u. Now, ikkada cos t integration. Cos t integration. Cos t integration sin t. So cos t we have to apply. What is the integration is cos sin t integration. What is it now? The totally is a value sin t cos u minus cos t sin u is a whole integration 0 to t to dt. So we have to apply sin t minus cos t in cos u. Cos t, your sin t is sin t. The 0 to t limits, upper or lower limits will be substituted. We got a result is called as upper or lower. So only ikkada with respect to du integration, t constant. Sin t is a constant. Sin t is constant. So what is the sin t constant? Cos u integration is sin u is our upper or lower. So plus cos t is constant. So cos u, this is 0 to 1. So we have to, the limits are there. We have to subtraction. This is clearly. So it is a simplify that sin t sin square t plus cos square t minus cos t. Sin square t plus cos square t 1 minus cos t. So Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Now, so this is a convolution theorem application in the problems. So next is the topic is completed. Next topic is we have to practice in the SEQ or long questions or anything. Now, next is so chapter number 8 to 225. 225 chapter number 8. So
impulsive function very summer, sir. Impulsive unit impulsive function.
Inverse function చెప్పాను కదా ఆల్రెడీ
యూనిట్ ఇంపల్సివ్ ఫంక్షన్ 7.8
ఏ అవసరం లేదు ఇట్స్ నాట్ గివెన్ ఇన్ ద ఎగ్జామినేషన్
థాంక్యూ అండి
ఇది అవసరం లేదు ఓకే ఒకటి ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఏ అవసరం లేదు వి ఆర్ గో టు ద డైరెక్ట్ page number 225 applications of a Laplace transform to the differential equations. So we got to Laplace transform is okay. Some special functions are there. So this is the page number 226. The Laplace transform of t power of alpha. So it is a simplify that is called is 0 to infinity e power of minus 16 into t power of alpha into dt. By using e power of 0 to infinity e power of minus r into r by s into alpha in dr. So this is the totally we have to simplify the gamma of alpha plus 1 by s to the power of alpha plus 1 formula. The negatives in the sides. So next is gamma n plus 1 is equal to gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. So gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. So n gamma n. So gamma n plus 1 is equal to n 1. Next is page number 227 j naught of the Bessel function of j naught of x j1 of x. What is the j naught of x formula? This is the j naught of x 1 minus x square by 2 factorial 2 square plus x to the power of 4 by 2 square 4 square minus x to the power of 6 by 2 square 4 square into 6 square. So Laplace transform of j naught of x. So the Laplace transform of j naught of x is equal to Laplace transform of 1 is equal to Laplace transform 1 by s. Laplace transform of next is 1 by s cube. So 1 by s cube is called is, so what is the formula 1 by s cube is called is, so it is applying the formula 1 by s square. So Laplace transform of x square is equal to 1 by s square. Next to fourth Laplace transform of x to the power of 4 is equal to also some factorial by s to the power of 4. Laplace transform of s6. So we got a simplification. We got a 1 by s is common. So 1 minus 1 by 2 s square plus 1 square. This is a binomial expansion 1 plus 1 by s square whole power of, so whole power of minus 1 by 2. So this is called is, so what happened is a simplification is 1 by s into 1 by s into 1 plus 1 by s square whole power of minus 1 by 2. So 1 by s into, so this is minus 1 s square plus 1 by s square. This is root minus 1 by 2. The negative will be possible. So 1 by s square by s square plus 1 is a whole power of plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 SS cancel. So 1 by under root of S square plus 1 is J naught of X. So J1 of X is equal to what happened? J naught of X is equal to hen also 1 by under root of S square plus 1. So S square plus 1, 1 by J naught of X. So J naught of X is equal to 1 by under root of S square plus 1. So next is, so J naught, it is a derivative, that part. J naught of dash of X is equal to minus J1 of X. So it is derivative, we can find the J1. So simplification, L of J1 of X is equal to minus L naught of J. S. So this is, so we have to clear L of S1 of, a formula is L of S1 of X is equal to minus L J naught dash of X. J naught of dash of X is equal to also minus outside bracket SL naught, SL naught, SL naught, SL naught J of X minus J naught of J. So J naught, now, so okay, this is called this. So what happened is, now minus S into J naught of X plus 1 minus S into Laplace transform of J naught of X is a plus 1. The plus 1 minus S by under root of S square plus 1. So this is a second part. It's also the special functions we have to apply in the clearly, that is the formulas. Now again, now, so initial values of applications of derivation problems. So we have the discussion in the initial value problems. So next is page number 230. Page number 230, we have to apply the page number 230 differential equations. Page number 230 low, what is y double dash plus 4y is equal to e power of t. E power of t. So what is the find the y of 0, y of 0? Laplace transform in both sides. Laplace transform of y double dash plus 4 into Laplace transform of y dash plus 4 into y dash. So plus 4 into L of y. So is equal to Laplace transform of e power of t. So Laplace transform y double dash is equal to formula. So this is the formula from now. So it is apply Laplace transform y double dash is equal to formula S square into y bar of S minus S into y of 0. Laplace transform y is equal to minus y dash of 0 plus 4 into y bar of S. Laplace transform e power of t 1 by S minus 1. So ఇక్కడ y bar of S common ఇస్తే S square plus 4 is equal to 1 by S minus 1. Y bar of S is equal to 1 by S minus 1 into. So y bar of S is equal to 1 by S minus 1 into 1 by S minus 1 into S square plus 4. So S square plus 4. S square plus 4. So till continue. So what about in the partial fractions? A by S minus 1 plus B S by plus C by S square plus 4. Okay. S square plus 4. We can find A value, if we find B value, we can find C value. So we got a simplification, the y bar of S. So y bar of S is equal to 1 by 5 into S minus 1 minus 1 by 5 into S square plus 1 in page number 231. So 1 minus 1 by 5 into S square plus 1. Y bar of t, y bar of S it was into the y bar of S. So the y bar of S is equal to Laplace transform of y of t. So L is take inverse. So right side 1 by 5 into L inverse of 1 by S minus 1 in page number 231 minus 1 by 5 into L inverse of 1 by S square plus 4 minus 1 by 5 into L inverse of 1 by S square plus 4. What is the formula from 1 by S minus 1 is equal to e power of t. 1 by S square plus 4 square is equal to, so this is cos t, 1 by 3 cos t. So plus 1 by 10 into. So this is called is inverse Laplace transform 1 by S square plus 4 is equal to sin 2t. So total answer 1 by 5 into e power of t minus 1 by 5 cos 2t. So minus 1 by 10 into sin 2t. In the same way, this method in the problems will be practiced. So today is now Now it is a applications of the differential. This is important in the example problems. So Laplace transform of y square plus n square of phi is equal to a sin t plus alpha. A sin t plus alpha we can do sin of a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b expansion a into, so a into like this. Now it is a into uh, a, a into cos alpha, a into cos alpha constant L into sin of t plus a into sin alpha constant L into cos nt. So Laplace transform y double dash plus n square Laplace transform y double dash is called formula s square y bar of s minus s into y of 0 y dash of 0 plus n square into y bar of s. So we can do this side. So we have to apply. So you can do y bar of s common n square plus. So y bar of s is equal to, we can do right here, a n into cos alpha by s square plus n square whole square, a sin alpha by s by s square plus 1. So it is a apply the reverse or reverse apply. It is a called as a Laplace transform of the function. So it is a clear. Now this is called in the using the Laplace transformation problems. Next to initial value problem, and tomorrow I will discussion this. So it is a completed. Next to what is the decided next to transformation. Okay, so I am to okay, my send the notes in your PDF notes and share the your ID, so you can